Hey guys, my name's Chris Appleton and I'm going to show you today how I make brown hair look super rich and really shiny with that Luxe finish. A lot of the times when a blonde hair girl kind of walks into any room, there's an automatic kind of brightness to her hair simply because the light attracts to it and it bounces off it. Now, the thing is with brunettes is you don't always get that light bounce, and sometimes brunettes can appear dull and kind of flat. My top tip for brunettes is to always try and keep it as shiny and as rich looking as possible. So I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve that look, how I use products to basically enhance the shine of brunette hair so it has that same statement as walking into a room as a blonde. Guys, step one, we're going to cleanse the hair with the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. This is a really vital part of the shine process, simply because it has no extra ingredients in, which will dull the hair down or leave anything on the scalp. So the coconut cocktail is super hydrating. I like to use a few pumps and really saturate the hair in it. Just because it instantly transforms the texture, it really kind of quenches the thirst of dry hair and it instantly adds shine, and it almost has a really soft detangling effect as well. But then what I like to do, my sort of secret formula to really glossy hair, is to then add on top the Color Wow Dream Coat, which you guys all know and love as much as I do. So I like to kind of layer that on top because this is going to give me the sealant. This is really going to give it that extra finish. And I think combined with the cocktail, this is the real transformation process. And we're just going to use a paddle brush just to really smooth the hair out. So we're just going to drag it through. Okay guys, so we just blow dried the hair, and as you can see, the hair texture is already transformed. It's super shiny, glossy. It's got that nice sealed cuticle. So now what we're going to do is make the hair longer. We're going to add some hair extensions. So as you can see, this is how the extensions tend to come. And then I do the same process. I mix the coconut cocktail with the Dream Coat. I combine them, blow dry them in so you can kind of see the transformation. And I'm actually going to use a lighter brown than our own hair color. The reason I'm going to do that is because I want to create a little bit of lightness, and the great thing with extensions is you can do that. Okay guys, so we put the extensions in. We've worked on all the prep products to really give it that Luxe feel, which it already looks pretty shiny and pretty amazing. But what I like to do to give it that extra wow factor, we're gonna go in with the extra, spray it on the mid-lengths and ends. Now, I always like to use a bit of heat with it and I kind of melt it into the hair. So what this will do is it will just give you that real Luxe finish. You don't have to use heat, but for me, it's a really nice finishing tool. But cocktailing all of these products together really is the secret to glossy, flawless hair. I don't think you can ever be too extra. So I'll just add a little blast on the ends just to give it a little bit more shine. It doesn't really matter where you're at, it's gonna hit the light, do some reflecting, and it just looks, for me, an extra, and I'm all about that.